Dear students, today we are going to study a problem to represent IP address in the binary form. IP address is 32-bit long. The example is 132.168.0.90, but this is the decimal representation. While we are supposed to calculate the subnets or broadcast address or network address, we need to do the calculation using the binary form. So the representation of 1 in the which is in the decimal form into the binary form is a 8-digit or 8-bit number represented by 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Well, how do we get this? All these numbers, since they are in binary form, they are represented in the form of the power raised to 2. That is, the first 1 digit corresponds to 2 raised to 0. The next digit here, the 0, is represented using the value of 2 raised to 1. If the value is not greater than 2, then I can make it 0. The third value to the left is 2 raised to 2, which gives me the value 4. 2 raised to 3 gives me 8. 2 raised to 4 gives me 16. 2 raised to 5 gives me 32. 2 raised to 6 gives me 64. 2 raised to 7 gives me 128. So in this way, we have 8 bits. So if I want to represent 1, the value in the first place to the extreme right should be put as 1. Rest of the numbers will be in the form of 0 because the binary number is represented either in the form of 0 or 1. So if I have to calculate the value 1, means 2 to the power 0 is represented as 1. Rest of the segments is represented as 0. So for 1, I get 7 zeros followed by 1. Similarly, if I have to calculate 4, I have to put the value 1 corresponding to 4, that is 2 raised to 2 position. This will become 1. Rest of the units will be 0. If I have to represent 5 in the binary form, I have to put it 4 plus 1. That means 4 is given by 1. 1 is also given by 1. Rest of the units will become 0. In this particular table, if I have class A, which is in the range of 0 to 127, and if I have to mention the digit 127 in the binary form, I have to put, because 127 is not greater than or equal to 128, the number will be 0 here. 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 gives me 127. That is why I'm putting here all ones. Similarly, if I want to represent 191, the sum of all the digits represented by ones give me 191. 223 is being calculated as this. So this is about my classful addressing using the binary representation. Thank you.